Hi guys, so today we're about to cook the perfect Ghana Jollof with Gino Jollof mix. Let's get started. Step 1. Heat oil in a pot, add some onions and stir to golden brown. Step 2. Add your Gino Jollof mix and stir. Add water for an even mix. Step 3. Measure and rinse the rice. Then add your rice to the pot, stirring it with the Gino Jollof mix to ensure it's evenly coated. Step 4. Let your rice cook on low heat, allowing it to absorb the flavors. Step 5. And there you have it, a pot perfectly cooked, vibrant red jollof rice. Try Gino Jollof today and make every jollof meal special.